fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about transforming your life through the power of exercise. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of cardio exercises that can truly change your life for the better. Stick around to the end because you won't want to miss out on these amazing advantages. And if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an exciting video. Let's get started. Benefit 1. Improved heart health. First up, we're talking about the heart, the powerhouse of our body. Cardio exercises do wonders for your heart health, reducing the risk of heart disease and lowering blood pressure. Imagine a healthier, stronger heart that keeps you going for years to come. It's a game changer. Benefit 2. Weight management. Struggling with weight? Cardio is your secret weapon. These workouts torch calories, helping you shed those extra pounds and maintain a healthy weight. Combine it with a balanced diet, and you'll be feeling and looking fantastic. Benefit 3. Increased endurance. Who doesn't want more stamina? Cardio boosts your endurance, giving you the energy to power through daily activities and sports. Say goodbye to feeling tired all the time and hello to an active, vibrant life. Benefit 4. Enhanced mood. Feeling a bit down? Cardio to the rescue. It releases those fabulous endorphins, the natural mood lifters. Say goodbye to stress and anxiety and embrace a happier, more positive you. Benefit 5. Better lung function. Healthy lungs are vital, especially if you're into sports. Cardio workouts strengthen your respiratory system, improving lung capacity. Breathe easier and perform at your best. Benefit 6. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. We all want a long, healthy life, right? Cardio can help reduce the risk of chronic conditions like diabetes, stroke, and certain cancers. It's like a shield protecting your future. Benefit 7. Increased energy. Ever wish for more energy? Cardio delivers. Feel revitalized and ready to conquer your day. From work to play, you'll have the energy you need to thrive. So there you have it, folks. The fantastic benefits of cardio exercises that can truly transform your life. It's time to take action and make cardio a part of your routine. If you found this information valuable, give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content like this. Hit that subscribe button and join our incredible community of fitness enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Keep moving, keep smiling, and keep thriving.